Percentage increase. Let's take an example involving money. You might be asked to increase £55 by 17%. So really you want to work out 17% of £55 and add it to the original quantity of £55. We might want to work out some useful percentages that are easy to calculate in our heads. So let's say, what's 10% of £55? Instead of saying of, we can say multiplied by. So £55 multiplied by 10%. We know 100% is £55, the whole amount. 1/10 of that we can divide through by 10. We might be able to see that 10%, 1/10 of £55 is £5.50. Using similar logic really, £55 times 1% is 55 pence. £0.55. You could also say that half of 10% is 5%, so 55 multiplied by 5% is half of £5.50 equals £2.75. Have we got enough to work out 17% of £55? Well, let's have a look. We could say 10% plus 5% plus 1% plus 1%. So let's do that. Let's write it out. 10% plus 5% plus 1% plus 1% equals, let's check our arithmetic. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 1 16, plus 1 is 17%, and that's what we're after to start with. Let's check our helpful table we've produced up at the top. 10% is £5.50. 5% is £2.75. 1% is 55 pence. Another 1% is 55 pence. Let's put these in a column to make sure we don't miss with our addition. 5.50 plus 2.75 plus 0.55 and 0.55. I can see that that's going to be £1.10. Got 5 pence here in the pennies column. 5 plus 7 is 12 plus 1 is 13 in the tens of pence column. In the pounds we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 17% of £55 is £9.35. We then need to add that £9.35 to the £55, because it's not just what is 17% of £55, it actually says increase the amount, so we need to work out 17% and add it onto the £55. So we need to do one last addition, and that is £55, add £9.35, which will give us, it ends in 35 pence, carry the 1, 9 plus 5 is 14, 5 plus 1 is 6. £64.35, and you can check it on a calculator if you want to make sure it's correct.